The possibility. The possibility of us animals according to human language has long been a long debate. The similarities between the human race and the graves may extend further than we know. There is the most suitable testing the human language seems to be our closest relative with the great apes. Now let's look at the summary of various studies and a discussion on the results and consequences of the attempts at language acquisition by the great apes. The first study to be discussed is the Washoe study, which showed a female chimp who was brought up in a human-like environment. The tool used as a language was American Sign Language. Washoe developed a vocabulary of well over 100 words. Though Washoe often initiated spontaneous conversations, she didn't sign in a specific word order. Therefore, with no word order, Washoe did not develop rules which helped her to form meaningful phrases. Coco the gorilla was taught American Sign Language as Washoe was. Coco understood the meaning of 371 words by arbitrary symbols. Coco's creativity was apparent as she often developed new signs to her object using the resources she had. Coco's IQ level may be a reason why she was able to develop his Coco could string signs together with money to a certain extent, but often her sign had not to speak sequences. Kanji appearing chimpanzee has a previous saves, but to a greater degree. Kanji seemed to learn by simple exposure to keyboard symbol, human speech, and human gesture. Kanji's achievements may be attributed to the intelligence of human chimpanzees. Many scientists believe that this species is smarter or at least has a more human-like intelligence than just apes. Kanji gain language ability not by specific training but only with exposure. This parallels human language acquisition, so by training is not necessary. Kanji's language attribute seems to challenge the artistic ground and primary capacity for human language. Yet the bereaved mind is inclined to acquire before birth. The language is native to man, but not to monkeys or apes. Kanji poses a contradiction to Aizen's claim since Kanji as a pigment chimpanzee possesses ease in understanding and learning language. However, the language properties of Kanji vary in degrees of its ability must be further developed. The various types of studies of language acquisition open up different arguments about the results. Further research is required to reach any firm conclusion.